Hi guys, Shelley Fitzgerald, Sew Shelley Quilts. I thought I'd share my sewing space with you. It's a little different. When we moved to our new house, the garage, which is right off of my kitchen, wasn't big enough for our vehicles. Well, it was certainly big enough for my sewing area. So I wanted you to see what it looks like. I travel a lot for events for BERNINA dealers and come in and see you guys nationwide. So when I'm gone, this is what it looks like. And I just thought I'd like to share that with you. It's huge, so of course I feel very blessed with that. It is not fancy. I have not painted or fixed it up in any way. I did unplug the overhead doors so that I couldn't accidentally get those opened, but I could open them if I wanted to. They still work. And I cover everything with fabric and get it as dust free. My family walks through this area every day when they're coming and going. And that's great because I get to see them. So this is where I sew. This is a movable rolling cart. So I have a lot of things on this particular cart and I roll it out when I'm not all packed up and put away. But this is what it looks like when I'm out of town. And then I'll uncover it later and show you what it looks like when I'm actively working in here. So I have my rulers and stuff on a wall over here on the side. This screen hides a lot of things that aren't sewing, but it just makes that space not look quite as messy. And it's off the house. Most of the time I have that door propped open. I keep all of my fabrics in tubs and all of my projects in tubs on these movable rolling carts. And that seems to be the best way for me to work. And then I mark the tub. These are kits. These are UFOs. So I know what is in each tub and can find things quickly and easily. So it's not perfect, but I really enjoy this and my family does not mind. I park outside in the snow, that's fine with me. I have a beautiful koala table, a great big one. The cutting table is my granddad's executive desk. The file cabinet underneath. And I'll uncover all this and then we'll see what it looks like when it's totally messy. But it's awesome. These happen to be some shelves that I've had since kindergarten. A drawer and shelf unit. Below that is a chest that holds some things. It's a cabinet that my dad made, so I've just piled all those up together. Just used what I had and piled it up, and I'm just happy as a clam in all this space. Does not bother me at all that it's not decorated. Like I said, I drape and cover everything while I'm gone, so it looks a little less messy, but it's usable. I'm too busy working on what I'm working on to worry about whether it's painted and fancy. I probably this summer will open the doors and move everything out and give it a good paint. Or not. That's not important to me. It's a garage, but I have totally been so lucky in the fact that it's warm. I'm just stunned. I have one small wall heater and then the heat from the regular house. And then I have, in the summer, frankly, has stayed very, very cool. So I don't know how I've gotten that lucky, but I have. So this is my space, my garage that I stitch in. I get out my sergers and they sit at this table and chair when I'm here and working and in business. I store them on the shelf over here when I'm not. So I have some things. This is where the family puts all their shoes as they come and go. There's my cover stitch and my serger all covered up. So I just thought I'd share this with you. This is Shelley Fitzgerald with Sew Shelley Quilts, and that's my sewing room when it's all covered up.